IGS's advanced weld build-up technology creates the perfect foundation for HVTS, delivering the ultimate protection system. Our proprietary welding process first restores wall thickness to original specifications through controlled welding techniques. This provides the optimal surface for Heat's existing high-velocity thermal spray cladding, ensuring a strong metallurgical bond that conventional applications cannot match. The result, a reliability program that extends asset life while minimizing downtime. Our expert project management and thorough preparation accelerate turnaround execution. And with our in-house testing of specialty alloys, we ensure optimal performance even in your most demanding environments. Built for resilience. Engineered for longevity. That's asset vitality.